Dear students, in this lecture we are going to discuss about some problems which are related to functions or the previous lecture concepts. So in the previous lecture we have seen the geometrical characterization of functions. So one is a vertical line test and the remaining things like for 1 on 2 bijection we used a horizontal line test. So by using any graph or sketch we will use that horizontal line test to identify whether the given function is 1 or on 2 or bijection. Now so we need to discuss some problems by using the definitions. So if the problem that is given by a function f of x equal to some real valued function, now how to identify or how to check whether the given function is 1 or onto or both. So let's see. See, the given problem is discuss the injection and surjection 1 or 1 and onto of the function f from R to R defined by f of x equals to x square plus 2. So by using this function x square plus 2, so you need to check whether it is 1 or onto or it is both. So we have a mathematical definition for injection and surjection. So by using that definition, so you need to check this f of x is 1 and onto. So now, so here we have a function that is what is given f of x. F of x is equals to x square plus 2. So this is for all x is belongs to R, and it is input values are all real numbers and output or the codomain values also given all real numbers. Here you can notice that, so directly you can notice that the problem that contain a square term, right? See, if we take a positive and negative value, so let us consider 1 and minus 1, so that the image of 1 is what happens, it is 1 square plus 2, that is 3. F of 1 is 3. And for example, f of minus 1 means minus 1 square is again 1 plus 2 is 2 only. So here it is 1 plus 2 equals to 3. See, here 1 and minus 1 are different, but their images are same. So according to the definition of 1 function, it does not satisfies the condition. Means if any two distinct elements have distinct images, but here distinct elements having same image, therefore f is not 1 function. Is it clear? F is not 1 function. Okay, now so if it is square term, just directly you can check like this. Now so you need to check the function is onto or not. Now so clearly you can observe the given function f is not onto. Here you can observe that the function f is not onto. Why? Now so here why means, so since the codomain that contains 1, right? Here the codomain is nothing but this R. So R that contains all real numbers. So therefore 1 compulsory belongs to this codomain. So let it be 1 belongs to the codomain set that has no pre-image in R, the domain. Okay, so 1 is belongs to R. So here in the second set, this codomain set, 1 belongs to R, but say this 1 is never mapped with any element from R. Okay, if we substitute x is any number, then this is never be 1. Okay na, x place lo ఏ వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినా కానీ ఈ టోటల్ వాల్యూ అనేది 1 అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు కదా నా. So this is always more than 2 only, more than or equals to 2 only. So therefore there is no pre-image for 1. Just one example. Okay na, so 1 కి ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. మనకు ఆంటూ కావాలంటే వల్ల ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్ కోడోమెన్లో ప్రతి ఎలిమెంట్కి ఏదో ఒక మ్యాపింగ్ ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి. బట్ ఇక్కడ 1 తీసుకున్నట్లయితే ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. ఓకే, ఇన్ సిమిలర్ వే -1 ఆల్సో, -1 ఉండే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. సో కావట్లేదు అనడానికి ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సరిపోతుంది. సో దీన్ ద గివెన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఆన్ టు సిన్స్ 1 బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఆర్ ఇన్ ద కోడొమైన్ దట్ హ్యాస్ నో ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఇన్ దిస్. అలా కాకుండా సరే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఒకవేళ ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఉంది అనుకున్నాం మ్యాథమెటికల్లీ. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ హ్యాస్ అ ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఇఫ్ f has or 1 has a pre-image, 1 has a pre-image, say let it be, it is x, then what happens, 1 ki pre-image ఉంది అనుకోండి, కంపల్సరీ ఏం కావాలి, f of x is కంపల్సరీ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1 కావాలి. హియర్ వాట్ ఈస్ f of x, x square plus 2 is equals to 1. x square plus 2 equal to 1 means x square equals to 1 minus 2. This is -1. So x square equal to -1. Is it possible? This is impossible. See, for any value of x, then x square is never be a -1. So it is always a positive thing. So this is not possible. Therefore, the given function f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Therefore the f is not injection, not surjection. Therefore it is not a bijective function. Now see one more example regarding injection and surjection. So discuss the injection and surjection of the function f from z to z, which is defined by f of x is equals to 3x plus 2 for all x is belongs to z. Here f from z to z means that contains only integers set to again integer sets. Now so we have to show this is just you need to check whether it is injection or surjection or both or none. Now so here we have the given function is, we have f of x, right? F of x is 3x plus 2. There is no square term present in the given function, so there is a chance to 1 1 for, or this is an injection. So here by using the definition you can check what is the definition of injection. If f of x equals to f of y, then x is equals to y. So x comma y are any two numbers from the input. Now if two images are same, therefore the elements are also same, right? Now so let us consider two numbers from input x comma y belongs to z, and suppose that f of x is equals to f of y. Let us consider these two images are same. If these two images are same, compulsory numbers also same, means x equal to y అని మనం ప్రూవ్ చేద్దాం. If f of x is equal to f of y, then x is y, therefore it is a 1 1 function, right? Now f of x equals to f of y. What is f of x? This is 3x plus 2 is there, 3x plus 2. Now what is f of y? So replace x with y, therefore it is 3y plus 2. Now so on both sides, so this 2 will be gets cancelled, then the remaining is 3x is equals to 3y. On both sides 3 is also gets cancelled, therefore x is equals to y. F of x equal to f of y, then x equals to y, then x equals to y. Therefore the function f is 1 1. So it is enough to show for the injection condition. F of x is f of y, then x equals to y. Next, for onto. So what is the onto definition? So for any element y is in the codomain, there exists an element in the domain such that f of a equal to b form. Okay, so let us consider a number in the codomain. Let y is belongs to y be an element in or element of z which is from codomain set, which is a codomain element. Then the corresponding element in the domain, then f of x is y. F of x is y. So this implies f of x means, so this is 3x plus 2, right? 3x plus 2 is y. Now so let us check first what is the value of x here. So 3x is nothing but y minus 2. Now from this x is equals to y minus 2 divided by 3. So maybe this is in the form of y minus 2 by 3. So here clearly we can observe that if the value of y is 3, since it is an integer set, so compulsory 3 is present in the codomain set. So if y is 3, then what is the value of x here? Here x becomes, that is a 3 minus 2 divided by 3. So this is 1 by 3. Now if y belongs to 3, but there is no x like 1 by 3 in z. So here 1 by 3 does not belongs to the domain. Here what you observed? For the element 3 in codomain, there is no pre-image. 3 తీసుకున్నాం మనకి ఏమవుతుంది 1 by 3 అవుతుంది. 1 by 3 ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? లేదు. సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో ప్రీ ఇమేజ్ ఫర్ ద ఎలిమెంట్ 3 ఇన్ కోడొమైన్. దేర్ ఫోర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ onto. F is not onto function or not surjection function. So finally you can conclude that or hence the given f from z to z is injection but not surjection. Hence the function f is 1 1 but not onto. Directly you can write if there exists any there is no corresponding element, or for element 3 there is no pre-image also, since z contains all integers. Okay, so for example 3 present in this codomain, there is no pre-image in z, that's why it is not onto. Now so coming to the exercise 1a, in that the first Roman first problem, if the function f is defined by f of x is x plus 2 x is greater than 1, 2 minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, x minus 1 minus 3 less than x is less than minus 1. Now so the given function is so divided like this, so divided into some pieces, so that say this is a piecewise defined function. F of x is defined on some condition. So here f of x value is x plus 2 when x is greater than 1. So the value of x is more than 1, then f of x is x plus 2. You need to treat this f of x as x plus 2 when the x is more than 1. Now you can treat this f of x is 2 when the x is lies from minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1. Okay, and it is x minus 1 when the x is lies between minus 3 and minus 1. So this type of functions are known as piecewise defined functions. Now so f is defined like this. Then find the values of f of 3, f of 0, f of minus 1.5, f of 2 plus f of minus 2, and finally f of minus 5. So here the problem is very simple. So just you need to identify the function value where it lies. First you need to choose the function. So for example the first problem, that is f of 3. Here it is in the form of f of x, but x is already defined, that is 3. So x is 3. So you need to check these conditions, these intervals. So 3, where the 3 lies between? Think. So here this is x is greater than 1 means 1 kante ekku kada, so more than 1, so 3 is more than 1, so that you need to use this function. So f of 3 is equals to, and f of x is x plus 2 when x is greater than 1, x is greater than 1. So the value of x is here 3, therefore it is more than 1. Now you can write it as, replace x with 2, so 3 plus 2 is 5. Clear? Now next second one, f of 0 is there. f of 0 ఎక్కడ ఉందో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయండి. సో మోర్ దాన్ 1 నో, బిట్వీన్ minus 1 and 1 yes there exists minus 1 0 then 1, right? So therefore our 0 is lies between minus 1 and plus 1. So if the value of x is from minus 1 to plus 1, so you need to use this function as 2. So directly it is a constant function. No variable present here, therefore it is directly 2. Next, number 3. What is R3? 3 is f of minus 1.5. F of minus 1.5. So where it lies? Now, so minus 1.5 means it is less than minus 1 only. So maybe there exists the value of x is in between minus 3 and minus 1. See, minus 3, after minus 3 it is minus 2, right? Minus 2 then minus 1. So this value is lies between minus 2 and minus 1. So therefore we need to use this function as x minus 1. So x minus 1 means minus 1.5 minus 1. Minus 1.5 minus 1 is equals to minus 2.5. Next, number 4. What is our fourth problem? F of 2 plus f of minus 2. So there are two function values are there. So now f of 2, where 2 lies? That is more than 1. So that you need to use. So for f of 2, it is 2 plus 2. Now where f of minus 2? F of minus 2 means between minus 3 and minus 1. So that we need to use this x minus 1. So that it is minus 2 minus 1. Now it is 2 plus 2, 4. This is minus 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So these are the values. Okay, f of 3 value is 5. F of 0 is 2. F of minus 1.5 is minus 2.5. F of 2 plus f of minus 2 is 1. Sorry, one more problem is there. That is the fifth one. So the fifth one is f of minus 5. Now see, observe where f of minus 5 is. Now, so you can check. So here minus 5 is never be more than 1. And minus 5 does not belongs to minus 1 and plus 1. Minus 3 minus 1 మధ్యలో ఉండదు. Means the minus 5 is less than minus 3. So here the value of x is not defined in the given function. Therefore we can write it as not defined simply. The value of minus 5 is not given here. So that's why it is not defined. See the second problem from first Roman. Here f from r minus 0 to r. What does it indicate? This is the domain, and all real numbers except 0. All real numbers except 0 is defined by f of x is x cube minus 1 by x cube. Then show that f of x plus f of 1 by x is 0. So the sum of these two functions is equals to 0. But we have only one function, that is f of x. What about f of 1 by x? So we will get this function by replacing x with 1 by x. So first of all find out the function f of 1 by x. Now here what is given? The given function is f of x is x cube minus 1 by x cube. Right? Now, and so you need to find another f of x, that is f of 1 by x. By replacing x with x by x, 1 by x, so that it is 1 by x whole cube minus 1 by x whole cube. This is 1 cube by x cube, means 1 by x cube minus, so it is 1 by x whole cube is nothing but 1 by x cube. So finally this is 1 by x cube minus 1 divided by 1 by x cube, nothing but x cube only. Now we have f of x value and f of 1 by x value. F of x and f of 1 by x. Now evaluate the left hand side, that is f of x plus f of 1 by x. So this is f of x means x cube minus 1 by x cube plus f of 1 by x is 1 by x minus x cube. So now also you can identify, see here plus x cube and minus x cube gets cancelled, minus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube. Therefore the value of this is 0. So left hand side is equals to right hand side. See the third problem. Here if f from R to R is defined by f of x is equals to 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square, then show that f of tan theta is equals to cosine of 2 theta. So here the function is connected with trigonometric ratios. See here means see we know f of x, and whereas in f of 1 by x in the previous problem. So to evaluate f of 1 by x is by replacing x with 1 by x. Here we need to find f of tan theta. Already we have f of x. So by replacing x with tan theta, so we may get trigonometric ratios or a trigonometric expression. So you need to simplify that expression to get cos of 2 theta by using some trigonometric identities. Now, so try to simplify it first. So f of tan theta. Here what is our f of x? 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Then what is f of tan theta? Replacing x with tan theta, that is 1 minus tan square theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Now, so this is 1 minus tan square. See, you know, tan can be written as sine by cos. So here I am writing this as 1 minus sine square theta divided by cos square theta whole divided by 1 plus, again it is sine square by cos square, so that it is sine square theta divided by cos square theta. Now here the LCM is, so cos square theta in the numerator, so it is a cos square theta minus sine square theta by cos square theta whole divided by, now so this is cos square theta plus sine square theta divided by cos square theta. Here, so in the numerator it is cos square theta, here cos square theta gets cancelled. Then which is, so cos square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta. I guess you already know in our 10th class, or also we can discuss f of tan theta equal to cos theta, or cos square theta minus sine square theta equals to cos 2 theta in trigonometry. And see in the denominator, so cos square theta plus sine square theta is 1, right? So that is the basic identity in trigonometry. Okay, so here for this just remember cos square theta minus sine square theta is cos 2 theta. So we will prove this cos square theta minus sine square theta equal to cos 2 theta by using some compound angles of trigonometric ratios. Fourth problem. If f from R except plus or minus 1 to R is defined by f of x equals to log of modulus of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, then show that f of 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 into f of x. So by using this given function in terms of logarithm, so you need to show f of 2x by 1 plus x square is 2 times of f of x. So here what is the domain? Here this indicates set of all real numbers except 1 and minus 1. So this is the exception symbol, except plus or minus 1. Now so here so consider the left hand side. What is the left hand side of the given problem? That is f of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. Now what is f of x? Log of 1 plus x by 1 minus x. If x is this part, now just replace x with 2x by 1 plus x square. See, f of x is defined like this, but we need to find f of some other value. This is 2x by 1 plus x square. So in the given problem, instead of x, 2x by 1 plus x square is there. So we need to replace this x with this entire value. So that becomes logarithm of 1 plus, here x means this part. This is a 2x divided by 1 plus x square whole divided by 1 minus, here x means x is nothing but this part, 2x by 1 plus x square. Now so this is logarithm of, here what happens, here the LCM is 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square plus 2x divided by 1 plus x square in the numerator, whole divided by 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square. So in the numerator 1 plus x square and 1 plus x square gets cancelled, and the remaining part is, so this is, here it is 1 square plus x square plus 2 into 1 into x. So we can express this as 1 plus x whole square divided by, now it is 1 square plus x square minus 2 into 1 into x, so that it is 1 minus x whole square. So finally this is logarithm of, so this is a square by b square is there. So a square by b square can be written as a by b whole square. So here we can write it as 1 plus x by 1 minus x whole square. Now so there is a property in the logarithms, the power rule. So if it is in the form of log of, here x to the power of a form, now we can write this as a into log x, or x to the power of n into log x form. So this is in the form of log of a to x to the power of a form. So we can express this as 2 into log of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x. Now so you can observe this logarithm of 1 plus x by 1 minus x, that indicates f of x, right? So this is 2 into, this can be written as f of x. So this is our right hand side part of the given problem. So therefore LHS is equals to RHS. So next Roman 2, number 1, and that Roman 2, if a is equals to x such that x is from minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 less than or equal to x less than or equals to 1, means you can write it as a closed interval minus 1 comma plus 1, right? And f of x value is given x square and g of x is given, it is x cube. Then which of the following are surjections? So there are two problems are given. So which of them are surjection? Here f is a function from f is a surject from a to a, or g is from a to a. So f surjection or g surjection prove cheyantunnadu. So here what is given? A is given, that is minus 1 to plus 1 only. So it is restricted only. So this is here the a that contains the values from minus 1 to plus 1. In between minus 1 and plus 1 there are infinite number of values also there, like it is an interval form is there, right? Now so here so using the definition of surjection, so you need to show whether it is a surjection or not. So let us see the first problem. So what is given? The function f from a to is given. You need to check f from a to a. It is defined by the value of f from a to a is given. F from a to a is defined by f of x is equals to x square. Here what is x? X is, that is the domain a, x such that minus 1 less than or equal to x is less than or equals to 1. Now so surjection definition, like so y is any element in the codomain. So let us take a element from codomain, let it be, it is y. Then so here that compulsory satisfies f of x equals to y to get a surjective function. So f of x equal to y, first so you need to simplify the value of x in terms of y. So if f of x equals to y, that means x square is equals to y, right? F of x is nothing but x square, so y is some unknown codomain value, so x square is y. Then so this implies x equals to what? So this is plus or minus root of y. X equals to some plus or minus root y is there. Now so clearly you can observe, so y equals to minus 1 is belongs to a. See, y equals to minus 1 is belongs to a. Then subject to equivalent angle compulsory x equal to plus or minus, x equals to plus or minus some number, so it is root of minus 1 అందులో ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయి ఉండాలి ఇక్కడ డొమైన్లో, మీన్స్ ఫర్ -1 in the codomain that has a pre-image. But if y is equals to minus 1, that belongs to codomain, then x equal to plus or minus root of minus 1. Root of minus 1 is not defined. So therefore this is does not belongs to the domain set A. Means there exists a number minus 1 in the codomain that has no pre-image in the domain. Therefore it is, therefore, or simply you can write as y equals to minus 1. Thus y equals to minus 1 does not have its pre-image in the domain set A. Therefore the given function f is not surjection. It fails to satisfy the condition of surjection, therefore it is not a surjective. F is not, sorry, so it is f is not surjection. Now let's see the second problem in that. What it is? So g from A to A is given, right? So g from A to A, which is defined, this is defined by g of x equals to some x cube is given, right? G of x is, previous problem is x f of x equal to x square, and it is g of x is x cube. Now so we need to check only surjection for this g from A to A. So let us take a value y belongs to the codomain, this domain. So indicate this is codomain, since both are same, right? So compulsory you need to mention whether it is domain or codomain. So y belongs to A, then f of x is y. So try to write a relation x is in terms of y from this. So sorry, g of x is equals to y. What is g of x? X cube. X cube is equals to y. Now so that x can be written as, or so you can raise the power on both sides with 1 by 3. Therefore it is x equals to y to the power of 1 by 3. X cube whole power 1 by 3 means x only. So the value of x is y power 1 by 3. So clearly for all y belongs to A, then there exists a number x is equals to y power 1 by 3 belongs to A. If there exists any value in the codomain, then the corresponding value will be exist in the domain. Thus, for all y is belongs to, let it be, so y is belongs to A means codomain, then there exist x equals to y to the power of 1 by 3 belongs to A in the domain. Again I am writing the definition, right? So for all y belongs to codomain, then there exists a number in the domain that is x equal to y power 1 by 3 such that, what is the definition? Y is any element, for all elements of codomain, then there exists an element in the domain set such that f of x equal to y form. So now you need to check this, whether the f of x equal to y or not. So if x is a y power 1 by 3 from the domain, then such that f of x, what you have to show? We have to show f of x value is yn. Now f of x equals to, that means f of x is nothing but y power 1 by 3, right? Y to the power of 1 by 3. Now see here g kada, right? G. Now what is our g of x? G of x is in the form of x cube form, but g of y power 1 by 3 is replace x with 1 by y power 1 by 3, so that it is y power 1 by 3 whole cube. Now so this 3 and 3 will be gets cancelled, it is y. So g of x equals to y. So it satisfies the surjective condition. So f is non-2 or surjection. See the second problem. if f from R to R, which is defined by f of x equals to 2x plus 1 by 3, so it is a linear function. So determine whether the function f is injection or surjection or bijection. So you need to check the given linear function from R to R is bijective or not. So first we need to check 1 function. Okay, so let us check with the 1 or injection function. 1 is nothing but injection, right? So for that let x comma y belongs to the domain R, then f of x is equals to f of y. If f of x is equals to f of y, then what happens? X equals to y. Then only we say that the given function is 1 function. So f of x means 2x plus 1 by 3 is equals to, now f of y, by replacing x by y, then we get 2y plus 1 by 3. Now so 3 are constants on both sides, then so it will get cancelled. Then so this implies 2x plus 1 is equals to 2y plus 1. Then on both sides 1 also gets cancelled, therefore 2x is equals to 2y. Then this implies x equals to y. So if the images are same, therefore the elements also same. Then we say that it is f is injection or 1. Let's see whether it is onto or not. If we check the surjection condition, so directly we can conclude that that is bijection or not. If it fails to satisfy any one of injection or surjection, therefore it is not a bijection. If it satisfies both injection and surjection, then only it is bijective. So next, surjection or onto condition. So we need to check whether the given function is onto or not. So let y is any element from R, means a codomain. Then we need to write a relation from x to y. Then f of x is y. So here what is given? F of x, given f of x is 2x plus 1 by 3. So by using this relation, so try to convert x is in terms of y. So this is 2x plus 1 is equals to 3y, right? 2x equals to 3y minus 1. Then this implies x is equals to 3y minus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Now, so here clearly for all y belongs to R from codomain, then there exists some x means here, so 3y minus 1 by 2. So here f from R to R, so if you take y is any number, then this is again a real number, so compulsory x belongs to R in the domain, means for every y there exists a pre-image in the domain. If it is restricted to some integers or some intervals, then so it may not be a pre-image. So such that f of x here, f of x is nothing but f of 3y minus 1 by 2. X means 3y minus 1 by 2. Now, so actually what is f of x? The given f of x is, what is given f of x? The given f of x is 2x plus 1 by 3, right? Now, so here you need to apply this relation here. So here instead of x, 3y minus 1 by 2 is there. So replace this x with 3y minus 1 by 2. So that it is 2 times of 3y minus 1 by 2 plus 1 whole by 3. Now, so this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Then the remaining part is 3y minus 1 plus 1 by 3. Here plus 1 minus 1 also gets cancelled. So finally this is 3y divided by 3. 3 gets cancelled, then it is y. So f is surjection. Hence, the function f is a bijection since it is both on1 and on2, both injection and surjection. So these are the problems regarding on1, on2 and bijection using the mathematical definition. So we'll see the remaining problems in the next lecture from exercise 1A. Thank you.